Hey, what's up, guys? I'm out here today. It's fucking ugly as shit. It's pouring down rain. My nice buff job is, you can see, beading all up. So, it's doing what it should. Roof and all. So, anyways, I'm out here today because I just replaced this. I got another one coming. This one didn't seem too bad, but as you can see on the bottom. Come on, focus, you slut. See, it's splitting. It's not too bad, but the one on the ass end is fucking bad. He's gotta be original. I don't know how much longer it takes till it splits. Let's see. Let's go over here and see if we can fucking break it. Let me get a stand out for you guys. Because wish I had both, I would have done them both. Pisses me off. They only sent me one. So, put 2 pliers on it. See how long this had. The split's right there. Let me get on it here. Oh yeah, you can hear it. I don't know if there's metal in it or not. I think there is. Hold on, let me make this tighter. Oh yeah, you can see. If there's metal in there, which I think there is, it was broke. Pretty much. You can see it's just coming apart here. Look at that. It's completely rotted. I mean, it wasn't coming through yet, but it's there. They gotta be original. This is to the exhaust, so it's fucked. Yeah, there's metal in these. I guess it's rubber mat wrapped with metal. So I got the OEM one went in there. See if I can show you what I put it on at. Can't remember what side it is. I think it's this side. Of course not. Give me a second. Where is it? Right there. Brand new one. Says I'm climbing underneath. You can look up in there and see 2 more hanging brackets, and there's nothing on them. And then of course, let me show you the one in the rear here. The one in the rear is right here. Look at that one. She's really fucked. So, yeah, that one's completely rotted. So that one's coming. Get that on. Now I gotta look it up and see which one I'm missing on the middle. The middle one missing. Alright guys, I'm gonna go. Got the sign up. I love it. All the signs I made. Look at that. Made these 2 too. I made the sound design. Spider. Star David. Metallica. That sign up there. Flames. Louis V. Basin. Lanzar Alpine. I'm just going to do take my time, and as the years go on, I'll do every stereo company I can think of. It'll take some time, probably a couple years. But, yeah, look at those beauties just sitting up there. I think they need to be sold and given to a new home. Sell them off either together or separate. And then I still haven't sold the squares and all the shit under here. I gotta recoil these SCAR SDR D15 or D4s. SBR D4s. I got 2 of them. Got a recoil. They won't send me coils. I think I found a couple. So we'll see. Tried to measure what was left of the coil. It was all fucking fried and beat up and broken. And then I tried to measure the gap, the actual gap in the motor itself. So we'll see. They're $20, it looks like a piece, each coil. So, alright guys, peace out.